everyone, my name is Jen and welcome to my channel. It's Vlogmas number 10. 10. Okay, for today's vlog, I am going to do unboxing video. So today, I had a work today and I received a text from the post that my package has arrived. So I went there and picked up my package. 1 week ago, I saw an offer on the internet, MAC Cosmetics, and it's been 4 years since the last time I had a lipstick. As you noticed, I don't really put on lipstick much. I know you noticed it, and some of my friends also asked me why I shouldn't put on lipstick. So anyway guys, I saw on the internet and I think it was a good price, and yeah, let's see. So I can't understand why they put it in a very big box. Well, it's not big. No. Oops. We open this one here. Okay, so here we have it's the delivery note, and their drop off, just in case they can't find me, then they know where to deliver it back. Straight there. Okay, so here it is, guys. Look, it's MAC, and this is called Sparkler Starter Kit Lipsticks. So these are the colors, and then I'm gonna try them on a little bit later. So I bought two because you get a discount. I bought two because I'm gonna give this into someone special, the other pack. And of course, wow, natural. So we have, I also ordered black mascara, but that's not for me. I ordered this as a gift to someone. And then this is free. Oh, it looks small. That's it. Okay, it's empty, guys. Empty. So that was it. So here we have also Prep and Prime. You see it? Prep and Prime Natural Radiance Base Luminaire. But this is free giveaways if you buy two. Oh, it's very small. Look at that. Natural Radiance Base. What is this for? Is this for the base? I don't know. I'm not expert in putting up makeup. Anyway, there it is. And it's not so big. Look. I can just measure it in my thumb. And of course, guys, this is not a sponsored video. Just to make things clear. Okay, and then what is this one? Is Fix Plus Bromefixante. What is this for? Fix and Skin Refreshener. Let me open this one. So this is also free, or I think it's not really free. It's together with the same price. So this one is free. It looks big in the internet, guys. Look. That's the size. Anyway, it's free. Okay. So here we go. This one, I'm gonna set this aside. Oops. So here it is. Here it is. So it's one loose lipstick, one amplified cream lipstick, and one satin lipstick. So let's open it now, guys. I like the color of the thing, of the package. Okay, here they are. There. Let's see. There it is. So I got three. Okay guys, so we have all these three, and now I'm gonna try the color, and maybe you can say which one is best for me. Okay, so let's go. I'm excited. So here it is. This one is number A40 Amplified Cream Lipstick. Cream lipstick. I gotta get a tissue, guys. 1 sec. Okay, so now let's try the first one. Here we go. So what do you think? Okay, so I like this one. I like this one. So let's try the second one. Wait a minute. Okay, so let's proceed to the next one. It's Cockney Lustre Lipstick. B10. Cockney Lustre Lipstick. Okay, so let's go. Oh, it's bright red. It looks bright red. I like this one too. This one is a little bit shiny and lighter, I guess. Let me see. There. Okay. So what do you think, guys? Which one is your favorite? But we are not finished yet. We're not finished yet. We have 3 more. 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 3 the last one, which is Twig Satin Lipstick. It's called Twig. So the first one was Dubunet, and then the second, the Cockney, and then the Twig. Okay, so let's see which one is best. Okay guys, now we're ready for the third one, the Twig. It's so tight. Oh, this one got a little bit different color. Here we go. There. Okay, so let's put it on. Oops. Okay guys, so that was it. So what do you think? This is the Twig. I think I like this best. So which one is your favorite? Well, all of them are nice, guys. I think I did a good choice. Let me see. Yeah, this is my first branded makeup or lipstick that I bought, because the last one I had also MAC, but it was given to me by my husband, but that was 4 years ago, and until now it's still there because I rarely put on a lipstick. So now I need to put more lipstick every time we go out. I think it's time, right? There we go. And so what do you think? Which one is best? So the first one is, here it is, Dubunet, and then Cockney, or the Twig. So which one do you think suits me best? Okay guys, thank you so much, and then that's our vlog for today. And I might just use this one by one, so I can buy the next time. I'm gonna buy after 5 years. I hope you enjoyed our vlog for today. This is not the usual video that I upload on this channel, but since it's a special time, or it's Christmas time, and I am doing a Vlogmas, so I am trying to make a content which is a little bit different. So by the way guys, this is my gift to myself this Christmas. It's good to reward ourselves also, right? Yeah, so I don't expect that someone is going to give me gifts this Christmas. I just bought a gift for myself. I think that is best, and I chose it and I liked it, and I think it's a success, because I wasn't disappointed of this one. So at first I was a little bit skeptical when ordering online, but yeah, it went well. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and see you again tomorrow on my next upload. And thank you so much if you've been watching, or if you've been following my vlog series. So my next upload would be one of the famous dessert that the Norwegians eat on Christmas Eve. So that you need to watch out. Okay, so see you on my next vlog. Bye!